Welcome in class 5 rounding of decimal fraction. Here for exercise 6e the topic is rounding of decimal fraction. If you have ever been to a Bata showroom, the cost of a pair of shoes or chappals would probably read rupees 249 and 95 paise, but we pay rupees 250. Why 95 paise we not pay? Here rupees 249 and 95 paise has been round off to 250. Okay, because 95 is approximately 95 paise is approximately to the 1 rupees. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise and 95 paise approximately 100 paise na, so it makes as 1 rupee and add in 249, so then after it's called as 250 rupees. Okay, so we pay 250, not 249 and 95 paise. Similarly, when we say that the population of India is 2.5 billion, okay, this is the exact number. It is the number of people must be close to 2.5 billion. Hence it's been round off to 2.5 billion. Okay, here the above method is convenient and helps us to remember very large number easily. It also simplifies calculation of large. So ये simplify करता easy calculation हो जाता है method, जिससे कि हम लोग इसको approximately अगर हम किसी भी number digit को round off करके लिख देते हैं तो इससे calculation भी हमारा easy हो जाता है, इसीलिए हम इसे use करते हैं. Now come here, rounding off to the nearest one. While rounding off a decimal fraction to the nearest one, if the digit in the tenths place, see tenths place, tenths, tenths place, not tens, tenths place, okay, is less than to 5, tenths place after, see the example here, 49.37 read as 49. Why? Because 3 is less than to 5 and 3 makes as 0, and also remaining digits are makes as 0, replaced by 0. Then after, see if the tenths place is equal or greater than to 5, if equal or greater than to 5, then the digit in the ones place is increased by all digit after the decimal and reduced to 0. So if your tens place is greater than to 5 or equal to 5, it means यहाँ पे 5 होता है या फिर 5 से ज़्यादा, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 0 on tens place, 0 on hundreds place, 0 on thousands place, and ones place increase by 1. Why? Because 872 is approximately read as 1000. So here this is 6 increase by 1 and it makes as 97, and remaining part is 000 on decimal part. Correct to one decimal place when the digit in the hundreds place, 100 place here na, after the tens place in decimal part. So hundreds place is less than to 5, the hundreds place and following digit are replaced by 0, और hundreds place के बाद जो भी उसकी following digits होंगी at the right side of the hundreds place, that also makes 0 with the hundreds place. तो hundreds place को check करेंगे, 100 place is 3, here 14.732 example given, and 3 is less than to 5, so 3 makes as 0 and remaining digit at the right side of the hundreds place, that was the 1000, 10,000, etc., all replaced by 0. As it is 14.732 makes as 14.700, 7 को differ नहीं किया जाएगा. Okay, now see, when the digit in the hundreds place is equal or greater than to 5, when the digit in the hundreds place is equal or greater than to 5, the digit in the tens place is increased by 1 and follow digit become 0. So as it is यहाँ पे हमने जैसे किया था वैसे यहाँ पे हो जाएगा. 9 is greater than to 5, so 8 is increased by 1 and remaining part replaced by 0. Now here correct to 2 decimal places, correct to 2 decimal places. So here now correct 2 decimal places, there we correct 1 decimal place, now here correct 2 decimal place. As it is rule, when the digit in the thousands place, third digit after decimal point na, here is less than to 5, the thousands place and following digit are replaced by 0. So the thousands place and after the thousand place remaining digit, that is 10,000s place, lakhs place. Okay, so that's are replaced by 0. And here, when the digit in the thousands place is equal or greater than to 5, the digit in the hundreds place is increased by 1. So thousands place is equal or greater than 5, the digit in the hundreds place is increased by 1, and the following digit becomes 0. How is it? See example 27.987, here given in 7 is greater than to 5, so 7 is replaced by 0, and because 7 is greater than to 5, so this hundreds place is increased by 1 and makes as 8 plus 1 9, 99, and 7 makes as 0, and remaining digit after comes after the thousands place, that is 10,000s place, 100,000s place, that is also replaced by 0 if given in the number. Okay, now come on exercise 6e. See exercise 6e, first question, rounding of decimal fraction. Round off to the nearest ones place. Here the first question is 67.437, and for the nearest ones place, which digit we see? Tens place, that is 4 na. Tens place has 4 in this number. Okay, and 4 is less than to 5. 4 is less than to 5, so these all digits makes as 0, replaced by 0 after decimal point, and 67 as it is right. Okay, 67.000 because 4 is less than to 5. Now just see next question, that is 9.909 given. Okay, 9.909 given hai. Okay, so just see the tens place again. Here 9 is greater than to 5 now, and if number is greater than or is equal to 5, so this rule applied. Why? Here 9 replaced by 0. Then after, because 9 is greater than to 5, so this ones place is increased by 1. If 9 is increased by 1, then it makes us 10 now. So 10 is the answer. Okay, now next just see 490.651. Okay, 490.651. Here see this place, that is 6. 6 is greater than to 5 again, so now remaining digit after the tens place, that is the hundreds and thousands place, replaced by 0. 6 also replaced by 0. Then after this ones place is increased by 1, and 0 plus 1 you have 1, so 9, and answer is 491. Okay, now as it is, do the all. See here, suppose here 2492 given, and here 2 is less than to 5, so it's read as 2492. Okay, now 57.497 given, 4 is less than to 5, so all digits after decimal points replaced by 0, and 57 we read. Okay, now 420.93 given, 9 is greater than to 5 now, so 9 and 3 replaced by 0, and 0 increased by 1, so we read 421. Okay, 421.00 read as 421.00, not read. Here 423.27 given, 2 is less than to 5, so read as 423. Here 0 is less than to 5, so read 5381. Like this, another round off to the correct ones place of decimal. Now correct ones place of decimal, just see for the correct ones place of decimal, this hundreds place. See the hundreds place, that is 9, and if 9 is greater than to 1, just see the exercise. To correct one place of decimal, here 79.49 given, 9 is greater than to 5. See the hundreds place here. Okay, this is hundreds place. So see, 9 is greater than to 5 na. So this rule, that is 100th place is equal or greater than to 5, the digit in the 10th place is increased by 1. So now the 10th place, it means 4, it's increased by 1. 10th place increased by 1 and 9, and remaining digit after comes after 100th place, that is replaced by 0. So 9 replaced by 0, 4 increased by 1 and makes as 5, and 79 as it is. So we read this as 79.50. Okay, now next here 6.93. 6.93, just see again here 100th place 3 and 3 is less than to 5. So 9 not increased by 1 or any number, just write as here 9 and 3 replaced by 0 only. Okay, now 6.90 we read it. Okay, now next just see another here, suppose 185.04 and another I explain you 80.715. First see the third here, because here again 4 is less than to 5, so 4 replaced by 0. Okay, then after 0 not increased by any number, then 0 and 185 as it is. So what it makes? 185. Now 80.715 given, so 100th place is 1 now. So 1 is less than to 5. If 1 is less than to 5, so do not increase the 10th place. It's right as 7 given, 1 replaced by 0 and 5 replaced by 0. Then after 80 as it is, right. Okay, 80.700. See in your book another question just like 14.337 given. So 3 is less than to 5, so it makes as 14.300. Okay, 39.9 and 1 is less than to 5, 39.90. 8 is greater than to 5, so 83.3 is increased by 1, 4, and 8 is replaced by 0, 0. 713.75 given, 5 is equal to the 5 na, so equal or greater than to 5, so same rule applied here. 713 and 7 replaced increased by 1, 8 and 5 replaced by 0. Okay, now round off to the correct two places of decimal. Now round off to the correct two places of decimal. First question is 5.413. Okay, now for this correct two places of decimal, which digit we see? On place, thousands place. On place, 1000. This is thousands place. Okay, so this is thousands place, it's DTHS. Okay, so here if same as 3, which is less than to 5, if number is less than to 5 in on thousand place, so this digit is replaced by 0 and another right as it is given above, that is 1 and 4. Do not increase any number. Okay, now 3 dash 5.410. Now see the another one, just like 17.095. Okay, now we have 5 on thousands place now, and 5 is equal to 5. It means equal or greater than to 5 on thousands place. So that digit is replaced by 0 on thousands place, and hundreds place is increased by 1 here. So 9 increased by 1 and you get it gives 10. Then after carry over 1 on this place na, 10th place, so here 1 and 17. So what is the number or answer? 17.100. Okay, either you can read as 17.1 also. Okay, now see 79.836 given, 79.836 given, and 6 is greater than to 5. So as it is above rule, here apply it also, that is 6 is replaced by 0, 3 is increased by 1, and 4 it makes. Okay, then after here 7, 9. So answer is 79.840. Now see the another, it's somehow typical I think, but not, just remind the rule and carry over. Here if this place 9 is greater than to 5. So if 9 is greater than to 5, so it's replaced by 0, and this hundreds place is increased by 1. Okay, and it makes us 10 na, 9 plus 1 10. Okay, then again 0 and 1 carry over on tens place na. So here 9 plus 1 10, then after 1 carry over again on 1's place, so 9 plus 1 10, then after carry over on 10's place, then 9 plus 1 10, and what's the number? 100. This is 100. Okay, chaliye just see, round off to the correct two places of decimal. Here another questions here, just like 39.337 given, and 7 is greater than to 5, so 7 replaced by 0, and 3 increased by 1, and 4 makes 39.340. 480.013 given hai. Okay, and 3 is less than to 5, so it makes as 0, 1, as it is 0, 4, 8, 0. Okay, so 480.01 we read it. 321.321, so 1 is less than to 5 now, so 1 replaced by 0 and another as it is, right? Okay, then after see again, here 9 is greater than to 5, so 9 makes as 0, and 8 increased by 1, 8 plus 1 9, 3, 9, 983.39 is make. Okay, now see the worksheet solution. Whole solution I give you as a PDF. Just see the explanation. The cost of one train ticket is 1,493. Find the cost of 15. So cost of one ticket given and asks for 15 tickets cost. So one ticket cost given and asks for one more than one now. So here we multiply na 1,493 into 15. So this cost is cost of 15 tickets. Okay, a tank has 908.64 liter. It means 908 liter and 640 milliliter. So of water, this has to be poured into buckets of capacity 50 liter, 480 milliliter. So find the number of buckets required. So यहाँ पे bucket की capacity less than whole water है ना. So यहाँ पे different बहुत सारे buckets लगेंगे, but same capacity के 50.48 liter capacity के ही buckets हमें buckets की need होगी. ठीक है, तो ऐसे कितने number of buckets required होगा? Here we find out with find the number of buckets ना. If anywhere find the number of something, so and whole amount given and capacity of one given, so divide it. 908.64 divided by 50.48 with the division rule of decimal number. Okay, the weight of a suitcase is 2/3 of the weight of a trunk, and the weight of a bag is 1/10 of the total weight of the suitcase. If the weight of the trunk is 21 kg 600 gram, what is the total weight of the suitcase and the bag? So here asks for total weight of suitcase and bag. So total weight of suitcase and bag, how can we measure it? So here weight of a suitcase is 2/3 of weight of a trunk, 2/3 of, suppose 2/3 of trunk. Okay, and the weight of a bag is 1/10. सो हियर ये सूटकेस का हो गया, ठीक है, सूटकेस वेट हो गया. एंड हियर द वेट ऑफ बैग 1/10 ऑफ टोटल वेट ऑफ सूटकेस. सूटकेस का जो भी टोटल वेट होगा वो उसका उसका जो 10th पार्ट है वो बैग का वेट है. ओके. सो इफ द वेट ऑफ द ट्रंक, और ट्रंक का गिवन है आपका वेट 21.60 ना, तो ट्रंक के को रिप्लेस कर देंगे 21.60 से. फिर इसे हम यहाँ पे 3 7 जा 21, 3 2 जा 6, 7.2 आएगा आपका. एंड हियर यू हैव 2 2 जा 4 एंड 7 2 जा 14, 14.4 kg आपका वेट आएगा सूटकेस का, द वेट ऑफ ए सूटकेस. ओके. नाउ then after total weight of the suitcase find out, that is 14.40. so here now find out the weight of bag by multiply in 14.4 with 1/8. so suitcase replaced by 14.4 and it's make bag's weight as 14.4 divided by 10, you got 1.44 kg. Okay. So then after add the total weight of suitcase and bag, that is the answer. See, Pramod needs 1.30 meter of cloth for a shirt and 2.75 meter for a pant. His uncle gifted a piece of cloth gifted by uncle, but the cloth fell short by 0.85 मीटर से वो शॉर्ट हो जा रहा है जितने कि इसको रिक्वायर्ड है. व्हाट वाज द लेंथ ऑफ गिफ्टेड बाय हिज अंकल. सो टोटल लेंथ उसे क्लॉथ की कितनी चाहिए थी, ऐड करिए फर्स्टली आप इसे 1.30 एंड 2.75 को. देन आफ्टर जो कि आपका शॉर्ट हो गया है 0.85 मीटर से. सो व्हाट वाज द लेंथ ऑफ ए गिफ्टेड बाय हिज अंकल ना. सो आपका ये जितना भी टोटल आएगा एडिशन, उसमें से आपको ये सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो आपको मिल जाएगा कि गिफ्टेड बाय अंकल टोटल लेंथ ऑफ क्लॉथ. ओके. एक्सप्रेस 18/39 यार 1.30 प्लस 2.75 एडिशन माइनस 0.85, यू हैव आंसर. ओके. एक्सप्रेस 18/39 एज अ डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन. 18/39, 18 को डिवाइड करना है 39 से, एंड यू गॉट द डेसिमल प्लेसेस, बट only for 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places, it means after decimal point only 3 digit you have to find out. Okay. Find the value of 100/33 up to one place of decimal. Only one place required after decimal point digit. Okay. After dividing 100/33. Okay. A solution given you as a PDF. Just see this PDF if you have the solution.